Come on, baby. Just like I said, man. Bruv, use these indicators together and you're sure for a win. You're sure for a win. So the truth is, you click this video because you want to learn how to make money on binary options. The truth is, you're lucky because you clicked the right video. I'm going to be showing you my thought process behind each trade, the indicators that I use to actually make money in the charts, how I use them, everything, guys. I'm going to be giving you guys everything today. All I'd ask for is that you subscribe and like this video if it's beneficial to you in any way. Okay, let's get into trading. So guys, today I'm gonna be trading company shares, and like usual, I've already analyzed and selected all the assets with optimal movements and payout percentages. So I've decided to use these set of indicators today, guys. We've got our weighted moving average, we have our fractal with a period of 3, and also the awesome oscillator actually. And as we trade, you'll understand how I use all these indicators together, how to identify signals and entry points, everything. I'll try to make it as straightforward as possible and minimize any questions that you might have later on. So we're going to be starting with a 1 minute time frame, and we're starting with $100, guys. Okay, so let's pick the first company stock and get on trading.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay, guys, so here we opened a long trade, and I have to just say this is not the best entry point, but the candle showed a very impulsive upward momentum at the start, so that's why I still entered. I still believe there's going to be a strong movement upwards, and that's why I entered with a long. So we can see a downtrend, but I'm expecting price to pull back around this area. As you can see, we have strong, solid support point and a good level of contact here. Also, the oscillator is showing a volume change from red to green, and the fractals also local minimum has updated. This is also indicating a reversal, guys. So we're opening against the trend. Let's see how it goes. Perfect, guys. Very good start. The trade closes and profit. That was a straightforward signal. Nothing too complex with that one. So guys, besides the indicators, this level of movement also played a very huge role. So the price reacted to this level. It bounced several times before moving up. And this slight pullback led to the trade closing and profit. Anyways, let's pick the next company stock and take the next trade for today, guys. Okay, guys, let's open a short here on Apple stock. And we opened the trade against the trend. We can see we opened against the trend, which is actually a good signal when you're trading in a rolling trend. So there's a solid touch point and the local maximum formed earlier, leading to a downward movement. So also here we can see the weighted moving average cross from top to bottom, and the volume oscillator switch from green to red. So yeah, that's why we opened a trade in this one. I'm expecting price to go much lower. Oh, perfect, it's going lower. You can see that, guys, just as we predicted. But let's see how it ends. We have a couple of seconds remaining. Amazing, guys. So just like we analyzed, just as we predicted, we can see how we used all these indicators together to get a precise entry and exit. So that was perfect, guys. We had a very good win this one. Let's move on to the next stock and open another trade, guys.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay, guys, so here we opened a long trade. If the price continues to fall, I'm gonna open another trade with the full of my balance, guys. We're gonna capitalize on the increase in this one, and I'll explain the principle. So here, a slight downward movement might form, but the fractal's local minimum has already updated, and so there's a slight intersection of the weighted moving average from below. You can also see the color change from red to green, which is signaling an upcoming upward trend, guys. So everything is literally just giving us the signals to buy. Okay, guys, I'm gonna open with a full of my balance. Okay, guys, so I just opened another trade with the full of my balance. I believe the price will break upward. There is like a flat dynamic, but I believe the price is gonna break upward. Let's see how this one ends, guys. Couple of seconds remaining, guys. Come on, baby! Just like I said, man. Just like I said, volatility was low today, so it was kind of getting me scared. But just as we said, you can see, bruv, use these indicators together and you're sure for a win. You're sure for a win. So that was sweet. That was sweet. We closed in profit. Let's go to the next trade for the full amount as well and get some better profits. This is a bit risky, guys. If you're starting out, don't trade this way. But I just want to explain to you what is possible, what you can actually get from the market. Let's pick the next company stock. Okay, so we took a bit of risk here and we opened a short trade. This one is not exactly the same signal that I usually use for. So for this one, I'm actually relying on my oscillator and trend dynamics. So we can see a strong upward momentum earlier after the update of the global maximum. And also we can see a volume shift, which is also indicated by the oscillator. So you can see over here, the volume shifted. It's following the downward direction. This is a very strong signal, guys. So that's the reason I actually took the risk. Normally I would not, but this we're in profit, guys. Isn't that awesome? Isn't that just awesome? Like, that's just awesome, guys. So this was an ideal time for a short position because of the signal. And I just once I saw it, I opened instantly. Once I saw the signal, I opened instantly because I was like, oh, this is definitely gonna be a win. So when the volume changes, it's usually signaling a reversal. And you have to kind of get it very quickly, guys. Anyways, this was a good trade. I'm not gonna risk too much more because we've made a lot of wins. So I'm just gonna trade with $140 about and secure our gains for today. So let's look for another interesting entry. Okay, guys. So for this one, as you can see, we opened the trade against the trend. Actually, this one is not the most ideal entry. Would have been better to enter right at the weighted moving average crossover. Like when they crossover, that's the best place to enter. But yeah, let's see how this one goes. I'm not very sure if the price will still go up or it will pull back. The pullback was a very strong, and the oscillator has already changed, color. So we also have the moving average crossover. Let's see how this one ends, guys. Ah, bro, this was a loss. So yeah, like I said, I missed the entry point for this one. The ideal one would have been right at the moving average. I missed it, and so this one was a loss, guys. But you kind of get the idea, which is good. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Today's profit is $700. Today's profit is $700, which is very good. So let's proceed to withdraw. The withdrawal operation was successfully completed. Yes, baby. Okay. So, guys, that's how today's trading session went by. I hope you learned that strategy. This strategy can get you going. This can get you some dollars. Trust me, because I've used it. So, like, I mean, definitely try it out. Leave a comment if it works out for you. If there are questions, drop a comment. I'll try my best to respond. And guys, don't forget, don't sleep on this. I keep on saying it, but don't sleep on this. Check out my Telegram channel. I'm posting signals there every day. Check that out, guys. Anyways, that's all for today. And yeah, peace out. See you next time. Happy trading. More wins.